So hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to unbox the Beardo's Ultimate Summer Essential Combo, which I bought from the Beardo's official website. So let's get started. First up, here is a hair serum with the argan oil, and here is a sunscreen and Ultraglow Facewash. Now moving to the next. So here is a Ultraglow Bodywash, and this is a body spray. This is Mariner Captain Jack, and lastly we have a Detans face scrub. So that's it. And this is a hair serum. So let's unbox this thing also. This is the sunscreen, and this is the Ultraglow body wash, and the Mariner Captain Jack body spray, and Ultraglow face wash, and lastly a detan face scrub. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So bye bye.